Select an object. Do a drag and drop and connect the object to a given period. Select one or more objects, even of various types. Connect the objects to a period. Select the objects in the model. Connect objects to the period. Filter objects in the 3D model or in plan view. Connect the objects to the period. Select the period. Select objects. Connect the objects to the selected period. Select a period and view the connected objects. Remove associations to one or more objects relating to a period. Remove associations to all periods.